Good evening, folks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a rather quick one. Just want to highlight some things to you and then be off. Pretty choppy day today and on GU here, but I traded in the London session and then another trade in the New York session. So let me walk into you step by step as to why I take the trade. Okay, so you can learn. So as you can see here, this is my open price. And what did I teach you about open price? If you remember, I told you we want to be buying below the open price and then we will sell above the open price, right? So as price open, and then this is London, start of London here, and then price drops aggressively. So whoever came, open his chart and then see this drop aggressively here like this. Even I put it in the back of my mind that we are going to sell for today, but I then saw some confluences of things. Then I changed my mind to okay, I'm going to buy. So this is an order block here. This is an order block here. So this order block, as we dropped lower, we had a sudden drop to the order block. Look at it, very sudden. And so this here is called Judas swing or manipulation. This is to manipulate traders thinking price will keep going down because it came down very quick. And so we cleared liquidities here. This sell stop, can you see that? These are area of liquidity. We cleared it, and so price dropped into it. By this, if you measure our fib from here to here, we are in a deep discount and below the open price. So this is a deep discount to me. And so from this point here, this point, I had a sniper entry. I went long at this point here, this retrace here. I went long and then targeting for this previous day's liquidity here, this highs here. And so let me take it off. Let me take this off. When price came back during New York, and then we took this house out, this highs out. We took these highs out. We took these highs out prior to London. And so we came back and then retested this zone here. And then after taking these highs, we create a change of character right here. After taking liquidity above here. Okay. So in this inefficiency, I put my fib and then I split it into half. The 50%, I went short at the 50%, trusting this high to be the high of day. And then look at the reaction. Very choppy though, but here it delivered. Sweet 20 pips here, taking these lows into this inefficiency. So the market is choppy because there's CPI on Thursday. So most times when there's CPI, high impact news, market tends to be like this, very hard to read. Okay, and so tomorrow we have by 2 o'clock we have FOMC. FOMC minus. So it's reasonable to expect price to react this way. So that will be it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Okay. See you again. Bye.